Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for stopping by. If this is your first time here, the name of my channel is All Things Luxe, a channel that is dedicated to fashion, beauty, and lifestyle, but mostly fashion. Today I am sharing another Louis Vuitton unboxing. How exciting. So if this is something that interests you, please stay tuned. If you're still here, thanks for staying. So today I am sharing my last purchase of my birthday month. And I am so excited. I would like to share this with you as well. I know you want to see what I want to show you just as bad as I want to show you. So if you have not seen my video, or if you're new here, this is my birthday month and I have made several purchases and I've shared several with you guys. I purchased 2 bags from Louis Vuitton this month. I am a Louis Vuitton addict and I love their items. So besides my Odeon PM, and I also shared with you guys that video, I will link that so that if you like, you can see that bag that I purchased. But here is this bag, or I'm sorry, the box. It's a little cute box. And I received this in the mail along with my other bag. And it did not come with any ribbon or anything, so that was a little disappointing, but the prize is still in the box, so let's get to the prize. I know you can't wait to see like I can't. Here is this little gem. Isn't it beautiful? This is the Vanity PM in the reverse slightly. I think it's gorgeous. Beautiful bag. Let's see what's inside the bag. Inside is the booklet, a little pouch. Let's see what's in this pouch. The key. Okay. How cute. I love their keys. And this gorgeous chain strap. I think this will really, let me put that so you guys can see that strap. On the clips it says LV. Okay, really pretty. So let's put the strap on the bag. I love the LV on here. I think it's just so stylish and pretty. Let's put this on. trying to make sure that you guys see everything I'm doing. Yes. Isn't that beautiful with the chain? So let's discuss what's on the inside of the bag. The features. See the top? It's got Louis Vuitton name on it. This says it was made in Italy. Made in Italy, if you can see that. Okay. And just has this little thing, and there is a little pocket right here. Okay. And then it's just open. And that's it. Love that it has the feet on the bottom of the bag to protect it. And I am sure once I put on the lock, it will look adorable. I'm gonna put that on so you can see it. Okay. There it is with the lock. I will do mod shots so you can see what this bag looks like. Let's discuss this bag really quick. It came out earlier this year and it was a hot item. It stays sold out. If you're looking for it, really hard to find. I just kind of looked up and I was able to get this bag. I have been looking at it. It retails for $2,700, which I thought was a little much for it, but I gave in after seeing it and I really loved it. I was also looking at Chanel's. I wanted their little SLG vanity bag because it was really a good price, but if you were sleeping on it and if you didn't realize it, it sold out. Did ask my FA about that one and she said that she wasn't sure if it would ever come back. So I was like, well, I love Louis Vuitton as well, and so I decided to get this one. I'm really happy about my choice. I think it's gorgeous. And that's it. I'm going to stop rambling. So I will do mod shots real quick. I think it looks really well. Crossbody. Can you see it? So guys, that completes my video today. I would ask that you would please like, subscribe, and share. Tell me what you think about this gem. Would you buy her, or do you already have her? I am very, very thankful for you guys. I hope you had a wonderful week. Stay safe, be blessed, and until the next video, see you later.